There's no way. Unless you don't grab.
You can just not get hit.
Oh, we could eat here.
Yeah.
We could eat here.
No. We leave that for next time when we come back.
Really? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, because if we don't, then we won't. It'll be way
Mister,
harder to get food.
Are you gonna carelessly fall to your death?
What are you talking
I
about?
think Ogni is working on that, but.
Oh my
No.
god. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, nice. Good job. Good job. Sure.
Oh, should have went probably. Oh,
Right.
That's not good. That's
Keep
not good.
going
I pressed
up.
jump.
Oh, it's
pressed
so
jump.
close. Why did you press jump? You stupid. Oh my god.
Oh
she
no, no,
did.
no, no, no.
Oh.
Yeah.
And these guys, this is why I hate them.
They're nice. I don't know what you're talking about.
What the fuck did you just say?
Can you drop them? Thanks.
Oh, clean.
Why? Why did that go up?
It almost looked like auto targets.
No, like, look. Oh, you stupid.
Yeah, I don't think you can even reach that.
Yeah, I threw it
Yeah.
like this,
Yeah,
and it went
felt
up.
like auto target, yeah. What a goofy thing.
This is stupid.
No,
You're
every
bad.
time you
You're
hit someone,
bad.
you're gonna be like, oh, it's just auto target. No.
True. That's so true. Thank you, Vero. It's just auto aim. It's my instincts kicking in.
Yep.
I got the dindin.
She got the din.
It was like 2 hours ago, but still.
Damn. Was that, dare I say, breakfast?
I guess technically, yes.
Imagine eating
Come on,
breakfast,
Willow, don't
Lama.
fuck it up.
Imagine eating breakfast,
Come on,
Lama.
Willow. Just don't
I
fuck it
never
up.
fuck it up.
I
What are you
never
talking
fuck it
about?
up.
I never fuck it up.
Never fuck it up. He never fucks it up. Literally never. He never fucks it up.
Good job, Willow. Good job. You're doing so well.
Okay, so this is how you do it. You just kind of
You
go.
just
This is fine.
That's just not.
Oh wow. Hey, don't push me.
No, I don't have enough space. Oh, you got the rock. Oh, I hear music. Nice.
That sounds safe. You know,
Boink.
what could possibly go wrong here?
You
Oh.
creature.
I did not change the camera. I did not. It was just targeted on me.
Nice. Okay, that guy's down.
Why would you do this to me? I was
thought
standing
would.
right there.
There was a wing in front of you. I don't know why it didn't hit.
I must be auto-targeting.
Ah, yeah. Thanks for reminding me, dude.
Oh, spear. Look, spear Lamau.
Alright.
I don't know what that was, but it was.
Come on, Willow.
Okay, watch this. This is kind of sick. I
Wait
think
for
I'm
it.
dead.
Wait for it. That's pretty sick, though. I must agree. That.
I think I'm starting to get it more. Oh yeah. This time is gonna be so smooth. Watch
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Nice.
Oh.
Finally.
Oh, I almost drowned. Nice.
God, why am I so bad at slides? That is such a bad idea. That is such a terrible idea.
Wait, where is it actually? What? Where is this?
Man,
I
it would
don't
be
know.
great to meet.
I have no idea.
Oh, what the fuck?
There's a friend.
Oh, nice. We could kill him.
Go ahead. Have fun.
Yeah, enjoy.
You could
Oh.
actually, hold on. Oh wait, we have no time. Yay.
Oh.
We better
nice.
go. We better go.
Yeah, we should go.
But you see, it's trying to drown me.
Man, that's like not my problem.
Man,
Damn, she's not a team player.
imagine doing wall jumps.
Is a friend coming? Oh yes! Oh no!
We should
Where am
really-
I?
What?
Okay, supposed to, yeah, supposed to grab him or something. Maybe
Oh,
that
you're
will.
dead. Goodbye.
This is what
This
I
is
get for
suboptimal.
staying.
This is, dare I say, suboptimal. I don't know. Well,
not too sure about
There's a
maybe
step.
we were doing that at some point, but that's not the play now.
Come on, Willow.
I'm
Good
dead.
job.
Wait, maybe pause jump? Let's go.
You still failed.
You still
You
You
failed.
failed the
Oh,
jump.
okay.
You failed the jump twice now in one cycle. That's new record. New record.
Look, I didn't fail anything.
Please, allow me up. Allow me upwards momentum.
Wait, how do I?
Nice. Same idea.
The dodges! The dodges! Keep dodging, Ugne! No, another one is coming! Dodge!
Shouldn't we eat here?
No. Ugne, grab
We got
one.
it. Oh, she did.
Go anywhere. Oh.
She did.
Velo, these people are not very nice to us. Oh my god, where the hell is she? Come on.
I think
Let's
it's a
just restart.
Yeah.
Hi, friend. Squashed.
Come on, Willow.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it this time.
Wait. I just want to leave. I'm
Think
gonna go
about-
get the popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry about that red laser. It's fine.
That was sick.
Wait. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they're hitting each other.
Wow, that sounded like a slap.
Oh, I couldn't get the popcorn in time.
Yeah, he died.
That's okay.
Can you grab some jump skill along the way?
Bro,
Could be useful.
watch me.
Yeah. This is the run. This is the run.
This is gonna
huh?
be the smoothest fucking fall you've ever seen.
Yeah.
Blind, no problem.
Yeah.
Boom,
Nice.
I'm dead.
Yep. What do you think I expected? Go,
Man.
Ugne. Block the shots. Okay, in here.
Where am I?
Right here. But first, beautiful.
Okay, saved.
We fixed it.
Oh, okay, sure.
I had to take that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You really had to.
I mean, it's fine.
Go,
we
guys,
got
go.
the time. We got
Left,
the
left.
time. Where are we going? Oh, he really had to get the spear as well. What a man.
Yeah,
No,
to get it.
Go. Go.
I've never been to the shelter actually,
That's
It's
nice.
cozy.
because when I
It's
went to
really
Moon, I
nice.
just skipped it.
Stop pushing
I just,
me.
I want to...
Wow.
Wow. Anyway, we made it to the new shelter.
Man, I can't wait to go back.
Pogu. Ugne, aren't you waiting to go back?
Fuck that.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah, we can just not go.
Yeah, we can just, not.
Yeah.
Alright, Ugne, let's go.
Okay, just, don't consume.
What? The rock?
Moon!
Oh, is there no... Oh, is she dead in this?
Moon! Hi, Moon! Okay, Ugne, spit it out. Don't eat those things, by the way. The white ones.
Okay. Oh!
Oh.
Whee!
What the hell? I wanted to fly too. Is time ticking while this happens?
Yes.
That's just
Well, you think time
gonna
will
wake
stop?
up anytime? Kind of, yeah.
Wake up,
No, I've seen
Moon.
this. This is cool.
Wake up, Moon.
Oh, look, she woke up.
Please be still.
Stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Moon. Hi.
Oh, she's shy. She's being a little...
Yeah.
Aw.
It's okay, Moon.
It's been gone for...
It's a bit of a while.
Oh.
No, we fixed that problem, Moon. It's okay, we fixed it. It's okay. We got it. No. We have cycles, don't worry about it. It's okay, Moon. Yeah.
Two.
Thanks, Moon.
Alright.
Hey, let's go.
Oh. What is moon?
Ah, that's a good question.
That takes some time to explain.
Oh, I got time.
You'll need to read the wiki on that one.
Yeah. Oh shit. Please
It's
don't
better
draw
that
me.
way. Don't only read it after you.
I guess you
The-
can read it after, or you can just do the
It's
big
better
boy
to read
gamer
it
strats
after.
and figure it out yourself. But
Let's go get some spears. I guess not to do that.
So, where do we go now?
well, now we go back.
Not quite.
Not quite. Kind of back.
A little back, and then we go a little forth, and then we go all the way back.
Yes. Guys, this is Miranda. She's one of the boys. Such a good video.
It
You
is.
scare me.
Well,
do we
well,
go?
well.
We could. Yeah, now
We
let's just
should
keep going.
save, probably.
Yeah, let's go.
We're still going there?
We're going back.
Back to the shelter?
Yep.
We wanted to meet Moon.
Yeah, you don't like Moon?
When you
Yeah,
carried
sure.
that thing in your belly for so long, it would be a waste not to use it.
True.
I have a spear.
Okay,
I do have a spear. No, I have a spear.
I'll
I have a
throw
spear.
him and you hit him. Or crouch down.
Yeah.
Pass the leeches. Up the drip. Uh-oh.
Nice, I lost you. That's just so good. That's so nice. That's
Throw a
actually so nice.
Oh no.
No.
Ogne, you can carry them both. Drop the spear, or just get spear somewhere away.
Wait, I can't get up there.
No.
You don't need to. You gotta pick up a body.
Yeah. Okay, now go pick one of us up. Yeah, good job. Now go up.
I thought they were gonna eat the body. Why didn't they? Eat it?
They just suck it out.
Damn,
okay.
I rushed for no reason then.
And now just drop me. Yeah, go pick up Delus.
Man, I am sensing a lot of pressure on me right now.
No.
What?
You should
You should.
consider, moving.
I wanted to check the time. Oh!
Pick
What
up
is
the
it?
body. He's there. There he is.
Here I am. Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Just a bit further. Hold grab.
Okay.
Okay, now just dodge. Throw a rock if anything.
Oh!
Oh no. Okay. Yes. Good shit.
This is insane.
Okay, now go up. Go
Oh
up.
my god, that
She
was so smooth.
actually saved it.
What the hell?
I remember
Oh,
that I did a similar thing. Yeah, just bring us both back now.
Yeah.
And
remember.
hopefully
Oh,
don't.
God.
Times.
Yeah, just hold up. Don't be like
You know.
Virus.
Hey.
No. No.
Oh, shot.
No. Ah, what a shame. Where you at, guys? Come on.
We're going.
Coming.
It's
That's
that
a
slow
spear.
poke.
True.
Bro,
Not even
someone
close.
fucking knocked me off a rope there, you know.
We got 2 masks now.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. And there's
I
also
do.
a spear here.
Okay, ready, Ugne? I throw, you kill, right?
Oh boy.
Yes.
Okay. Good shit.
Woo!
Oh, you eat him?
Okay,
We need one more.
How are we on time?
Not good. Oh, give me a spear. Wait, where is he? I can see him.
He's top right.
Yeah, I can see him. Oh god damn it.
Could have flown there. There it is. Nice. Spider.
Alright, I'll be fine. Let's go.
Sam. The scouts are really liking us now.
Go. Go to.
Oh shit, where do I go?
Here, there's a rope here.
Oh,
all the
there's a
way.
rope here. Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What? Oh, that was a
Go
reaction, but
left
it's
and
fine.
down.
Right.
Right. I get it.
Where am I?
Go down.
It's fine. There's like half a minute.
Okay.
Oh, there was food here as well.
Nice. Good for later. There we go. Another
Yeah.
cycle. Symbol 4.
Really fucking
We're
packing
getting
it.
too good.
It's actually really good that we have symbol 4 because we need to karma grind this in this area.
Oh, look, more scabs.
Yeah, there aren't any.
I wish I could fucking
Oh.
eat them.
Can we just like leave him here and get like...
What the fuck
My
is he
man's
doing?
not well.
Oh, that's a lizard. I'm gonna hide here.
Yeah, you're gonna hide, light boy.
Oh, great.
Wow. Hey, need help?
Yeah. Could come in handy. Oh, you
Get
threw a spear?
Yeah.
Okay. He's climbing to me.
Yeah.
Okay, got him.
Nice. See, I'm not a useless light boy.
Oh, yeah.
So far.
Damn. Straight up damn right there.
Okay, surely now.
Yeah, there we go.
Nice. Spear.
It doesn't matter what we grab. I guess we just all should grab lights if we can.
Okay.
It seems like
So what's changed?
we have a distinct lack of
He's
lights.
gonna drop it. Yeah. Oh, sorry, guy. I'm just.
What
trying to pick
changed?
up the
It's a
light.
little glowy
Yeah.
right now. Let's try this.
Got you, man.
I thought
You
it's
just,
it, but
you just
glowy.
need to go to Facebook Gaming.
I think it's here or up. Oh wait, try up first.
Yeah, up feels.
Yeah, and now right.
I
Not
went
there,
to the
right?
wrong right. Yeah, okay.
That's the wrong number. It's this right. Yay! Look at that symbol up there.
I wonder what this guy is gonna say.
Let's see. I actually don't remember. I rarely talk to him.
Wow.
You have no name. No, my name is Rokas. I once had. Oh, what a shit.
Right?
That's a wacky guy.
That is a wacky guy. That's an echo. Juicy flash prison. Alright.
So he was like a pop star.
Wait for it. Yes.
Nice.
That's it.
Oh, I can feel it.
So
Just
close
What can you
Yeah.
feel?
to victory. Alright, it looks like mes jau būsim visi trys išseivinę kitus du, kai mirė buvo. So that's good.
I mean, this was a really just a pickup job.
I almost
Yeah.
saved you too. I
Oh wait, that's
almost
right, you
did.
died.
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. There you go.
Could have picked up a sweet. Ah, it's fine.
It is what it is. It's fine. Please leave. Oh, he's here. Alright.
Who is here?
Some
Is that a
scav.
Spidey? Oh,
That's
scav.
scav.
Please, oh my god.
Just pick up the spear. Ogna?
Here, take the spear. Give me the fucking. Oh my god, you son of a bitch. Give me my mask.
Give me my fucking money.
Yeah?
Here, take this. Oh my god, please.
Take this, take the mask. Ogna. Oh, he's upset. Fuck you then. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, that's not the right number. Fuck it. We're gonna leave this place anyway. Oh, should we restart?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
That's a lot of time though.
It's
I don't wanna
fine.
I don't wanna fuck with the scavs.
We should be able. Okay, so there's the shelter. Now we just need food.
Oh, that's food.
Oh, nice.
Wait, is it still alive? Look now.
Oh,
Step away.
oh did you throw Ogna?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Alright.
God bless eating, I guess.
Oh, you know what? I'll drop the mask real quick.
Oh yeah, you need a spear in this one, I think.
But take it. Help. Throw it. Throw.
I don't have a
No,
spear.
you can't throw right now. You just stay there for a little while.
No, you should have just thrown.
But I would have just killed you.
You might
yeah.
have hit him,
Yeah.
and it's fine if you kill me. It's better to have a chance at killing him.
Mm.
It's fine. I think it's go right. Yeah, if you can hurry, you. Yep. Okay, so conclusion with like a light. I got the light.
I got the mask
God
for
damn
my
it.
life.
What you doing?
Sorry, I'm all tabbed right now.
What? What?
I heard someone die.
Yeah, someone died. Grenade. I was
Yeah,
mistaken.
you were lying.
There we have it. Yeah, he has to pick it up.
Oh, drop the pro. Throw the pro. He still got it.